Hello people, in this video I'll show you how to make mini UV meter cum weather station at your house. To build this project, I will use ESP32 C3 mini UV sensor module, OLED and few other electronics. I will 3D print the parts for the frame. These are the only two parts that you will need for this project. While uploading the program, make sure that my credential and weather API key are replaced with yours. Follow the simple steps to build the circuit. You can find the links to program and circuit in the description box below. Using this project is very simple. Just connect your ESP32 board to USB power supply and let few seconds to connect this automatically device automatically to your Wi-Fi. It will start showing the weather details as per your location used in the API key. The UV sensor detects the indoor and outdoor light and gives out the values. this was all about this project. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. Thank you for watching.